Okay, so what we'll look at now is myology, which is the study of muscles, and we're going to focus it around some major muscle groups around the pelvis. So the first thing we're going to look at is the quads group, which is just at the front of the femur here. Now, the mnemonic that we use for this one then is no I can. So the first letter of no I can being N is the name. So if we just look at the diagram on the wall, we're going to look at rectus femoris first, because it's got a slightly different action to the other three quads. So rectus femoris is the large one that runs all the way down the front here into the patella, just at the front of the knee. So, next one on that list then, being O, which is the origin. So if we just look at the front of this pelvis here, the little bump on the front is the origin of rectus femoris, and that is the anterior superior iliac spine. Its insertion then, which is the next letter on that mnemonic, I, is just at the front of the tibia here, and it's called the tibial tuberosity. You can feel that on yourself if you just try to do so now. So the next one then is the course of the muscle. So it's basically just a running from origin to insertion. So from origin here at the front all the way down the front of this one. And if we look at the diagram, you can see the course of the muscle once again. So what actions does it have? And that's the next one in the no I can mnemonic, so A. So the two actions that it's got is, first of all, as part of the quads group, it extends the knee. So if everyone was to extend the leg now, you'd feel the tension come on in the quads because they've shortened and pulled the knee straight or extended it. But then the second action that it's got, which is different to the other three quads, is it also flexes the hip because the origin is just above the joint between femur and pelvis. Okay, so it's nerve innervation then. Okay, so which nerve roots does it come from, or which nerve roots control it, is between L3 to S1.